Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check if your iPhone is new, refurbished, or a replacement. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the way to do it is to open up the settings on your iPhone. And from here, let's just scroll down and tap on General. And then at the very top, let's tap on About. Now, you'll be able to see here the model number here is the fourth one down. If you don't have your iPhone, you can also just check the case or the box that the iPhone came in that will also have the model number. Now on here, we're going to take a look at the very first letter. So you can see my model number starts with an M. So it's MPXT3LL-A. So the first letter is M. Just make note of what that first letter is, not the whole thing, just the first letter. And then basically we can just look at this really helpful guide. It says if the model number starts with an M, like mine does, it was purchased new from Apple. If the model starts with an F, it was refurbished either by Apple or by a carrier. If the model number starts with a P, it was sold as a personalized phone, meaning that, say, your name was engraved in the back or someone's name. And then finally, if the model number starts with an N, then Apple provided it as a replacement device for a malfunctioning iPhone. So depending on what you see here, you'll be able to know, was it new, was it refurbished, was it replacement, or was it personalized? Of course, if you buy a iPhone on eBay, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, anything like that, you'll be able to see where this iPhone kind of originally came from and get a good idea of whether it's refurbished, replacement, new, any of those things. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. I'll catch you on the next one.